Hi everyone, I am Ashma and welcome back to my channel Merriness. In today's video, I'll be showing you all the Bella Voste Chubby stick swatches along with a review. Now these lipsticks have been formulated in Italy and are a favorite among the subscription boxes. The net weight is 3.8 grams and the price of one lipstick is 499 rupees and the shelf life is 2 years from the date of manufacturing. There are 6 colors available. I have 4 with me: the Rose Crushed, Whipped Caviar, Violet Edition and the Hypnotic Rose. And before we begin, if you are new to my channel, then please hit the red color subscribe button, click on bell notifications, click on options and select all notifications so that you don't miss any of my new videos. Now let's quickly get started and see the swatches. All the ingredients are very well mentioned on the lipstick itself, and the claims are that it is silky and creamy texture, full coverage with satin matte finish, long lasting with rich color payoff, preservatives, oil and nanoparticles free. It's dermatologically tested, one stroke application, perfect addition, and the color does not bleed. So here you can see I'm gonna try and just rub it and see if it is swatch proof or no. So basically it is not at all swatch proof and the color does not bleed on the lips, but yes, it is definitely not swatch proof. I even did a water test here to see, but with water also the color just comes out very easily, so it's not at all waterproof as well. Now let's see if it actually comes out easily with a remover or no. And I'm using the Garnier Micellar cleansing water. I'm just going to take a little amount here on this cotton pad and see if all the lipsticks come out or no. So I'm just going to keep here for a few seconds and then just wipe it off. So the color is definitely coming and my skin is completely clean, so there are no stains which are left behind. So now coming to the review part, what I feel is all the lipstick shades which I have received are good. But the Whipped Caviar shade is something which only the light skin tone people, it will suit more. Other than that, the Rose Crush, the Hypnotic Rose and the Violet Edition will suit all the skin types, and it's definitely a one stroke application thing, but it is not swatch proof or even waterproof, so you can only wear it for like 2 to 4 hours maximum, and it's not something which will last like day long. It's good that it comes in this roll-on kind of application thing where the lipstick does not get wasted. So it's better to indulge in these kind of lipsticks from subscription boxes rather than them going and buying them individually, because they are very expensive that way. So that's it for my review for the Bella Voste Chubby lipsticks. I hope you liked it and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care and thank you for watching Merriness.